Navigating customs clearance, importing military weapons and defense systems. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems. Importing these items involves navigating complex customs procedures and compliance with stringent regulations. Understanding the key considerations and best practices can help ensure smooth customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems. So, let's dive right in and explore the intricacies of customs clearance in this specialized area. Customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems requires careful attention to detail due to their unique characteristics and regulatory requirements. It involves compliance with strict export and import regulations, adherence to arms control treaties, accurate classification of items, and providing the necessary documentation to ensure compliance and timely clearance. Importers of military weapons and defense systems must comply with strict export controls and licensing requirements set by their home country and the destination country. Export licenses and permits may be required to ensure compliance with laws and regulations regarding the transfer of defense articles. Importers should be aware of the specific export control laws and engage with specialized experts to facilitate lawful customs clearance. Accurate classification of military weapons and defense systems is crucial for customs clearance. Each item must be classified under the appropriate category designated by the International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR, or other relevant export control regimes. Proper classification ensures compliance with licensing requirements, trade restrictions, and import regulations. Importers must provide accurate and complete documentation for customs clearance of military weapons and defense systems. This includes licenses and permits issued by the relevant authorities, end-user certificates, purchase documentation, technical specifications, and any other supporting documents required to demonstrate legal ownership and compliance with international regulations. Importers must ensure compliance with international arms control treaties, such as the Arms Trade Treaty, Wassenaar Arrangement, or Missile Technology Control Regime. These treaties aim to regulate the transfer of conventional weapons, military equipment, and related technologies. Importers should comply with reporting requirements and adhere to any embargoes or restrictions imposed by these treaties. Transportation and security measures are critical for customs clearance of military weapons and defense systems. Importers should engage with specialized logistics providers experienced in handling these sensitive items. Robust security protocols, tamper-evident packaging, and compliance with transportation safety regulations play a crucial role in ensuring the safe transit and delivery of military items. Given the sensitivity and regulatory requirements of military weapons and defense systems, customs authorities may conduct thorough verifications and inspections. Importers must ensure proper records, certificates, and technical specifications are readily available for inspection. Compliance with the verification process facilitates customs clearance and helps prevent unnecessary delays. Collaboration and open communication with customs authorities are crucial for successful customs clearance of military weapons and defense systems. Importers should proactively engage with customs agencies, provide accurate information, and promptly respond to any inquiries or requests for additional documentation. Close collaboration ensures smooth customs processes and compliance with regulations. Importers dealing with U.S. origin military weapons and defense systems must comply with the International Traffic in Arms Regulations, ITAR. ITAR governs the export and import of defense articles and services, including technical data. Importers should be familiar with ITAR requirements, licensing procedures, record-keeping obligations, and any restrictions or limitations imposed under ITAR. Importers must be cautious of restricted countries and international embargoes when dealing with military weapons and defense systems. These restrictions are imposed to maintain regional stability, safeguard national security interests, and prevent proliferation. Importers should ensure compliance with the regulations and restrictions applicable to specific countries and prevent unauthorized transfers. Given the complexity of customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems, importers should engage with specialized trade consultants and experts in export controls and international trade compliance. These professionals can provide guidance on regulations, licensing requirements, documentation, and best practices to ensure smooth customs clearance and compliance with regulations. Importers should invest in ongoing education and training regarding international trade compliance and customs procedures. Keeping abreast of evolving regulations, arms control treaties, and licensing requirements helps importers avoid common mistakes and ensures alignment with regulations in the dynamic landscape of military weapons and defense systems. Implementing technology solutions can greatly streamline customs clearance processes for military weapons and defense systems. Utilizing automated customs software tools and systems helps minimize manual errors, streamline data entry and validation, enhance communication with customs authorities, and ensure accurate compliance with export and import regulations. Collaboration with experienced freight forwarders and logistics providers specializing in defense industry logistics is essential. These experts navigate the complexities of customs clearance, ensure compliance with transportation regulations, and handle secure transportation of military weapons and defense systems. Strategic collaboration ensures smooth and efficient customs processes. Customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems requires meticulous attention to regulations, licensing requirements, accurate classification, and collaboration with customs authorities and specialized experts. Importers must comply with export controls, arms control treaties, and licensing obligations while ensuring secure transportation and proper documentation. By focusing on these considerations, importers can achieve efficient and compliant customs clearance of military weapons and defense systems. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found this discussion on customs clearance for military weapons and defense systems informative and valuable. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in our upcoming videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into customs brokerage and international trade.